fat, dude.
I know.
What do you mean it's been eating?
It's fat.
Oh, it's been eating. Like I thought it said.
It's like,
oh yeah, mine's
it's
been
fat.
mine's been eating too.
What?
Yours isn't fat. I looked at it when it was over here.
Cast it over here.
Aye!
Not that.
Oh yeah, I don't use mystery tackle box, bro.
What are you?
Reese! You see that? I did that flicking thing. Come on, me fish. Come on, me fish. You got nothing on me. Yeah, you want this? You want this frog? You want this frog? There's a frog behind that plant right there. I mean, not a frog, a fish.
Oh, that's in the plant.
There's a fish right over there by that plant. I'm gonna pinpoint accuracy this thing. Pretty close, pretty close.
It's a Cinco.
I don't know what a Senko is.
It's a piece of. It's a straight piece of plastic.
A worm?
Pretty much.
Like a rubber one? A rubber worm?
Yeah. But I don't think
For some reason fishermen call it plastic.
$1,000 freaking bowl.
this one.
Yeah.
This one's only 500.
Oh yeah? This is probably like 100
Well, like 500.
at the most.
Mine was 200.
Well, the reel was no, the reel was 275, and then the rod was like 175.
Frog ain't working for me. I'm switching to something else.
Yeah.
What should I switch it to?
I don't know.
What do you think would work good right now?
Try on like a Texas rig or something.
I don't know what that is.
Do you know what anything is?
Not really. You got a rooster tail? I know what a rooster tail is. Why not? You want to know what colors you're supposed to use on this place since it's so dirty? Wait, it's not. Is this water very dirty?
This water's actually pretty clear.
Okay, never mind. Don't use no blue or black.
Black and blue.
Blue and black you're supposed to use.
It's
dark
black.
blue.
It's black and blue.
Okay, what's that thing you're using?
This?
Carolina rig.
I'm a Carolina rig.
I did your frog.
I don't think I do. How about this small dive?
I don't know. It's pretty mossy out here.
You really just need a worm or a frog or
I have one. What are you trying to
A chigger crawl.
What the
or
crap?
a
A
wigger crawl.
A chigger crawl.
Racist.
I said it. No.
Wigger crawl. Fucking wigger.
I'm gonna come look at this stuff you're talking about.
Oh, dude, I'm fixing to throw my frog up in that. Where's this stuff at?
What's a chigger crawl?
This is a chigger crawl.
What the hell? That thing is weird. That's a crawdad.
Yeah.
There it is. Watch me get exploded right here.
My dad has a worm bag. It's a lot bigger than that though.
Well, yeah. So is mine. I
Holy
only.
crap. What is that?
An alligator.
What the hell was that?
An alligator.
That's like a freaking bullfrog just came up.
Might have been.
I caught it.
Let's go see what it is.
I caught it.
Put it on your GoPro. It's a frog.
You got a
I told
frog.
you it was a frog. Oh, damn, that thing's huge. Nigga, shoot. I caught it. We're eating it.
You got a frog.
Goddamn, we're eating it. Fuck you, guys. After me. And then it somehow later.
He was
Hey,
touching his
keep-
balls.
That is nasty. Touch that thing.
No, I'm not touching it. I don't touch
It's all
frogs.
slime. No, don't touch his
Oh.
foot. Touch his whole damn-
Oh! I didn't touch
Calm
it.
yourself.
He's gonna just hook himself. He's gonna hurt himself, bro.
So it's
Oh,
like
his
on
hand
right
is
now.
stuck up in there.
Yeah.
I don't know how to freaking.
Reese, you know how to take that thing off?
Hold up.
Yeah. You
Hold up,
unhook
chill.
it.
Catching frogs.
He's not
boys.
eating his own kind anymore.
Hey, get on the switch.
You need a picture.
Get on the frog and spot.
Oh Lord.
Let's go. Hey, you brought your mystery tackle box with you?
Yeah.
I almost thought about
You
bringing
wanna know how
mine, but I
many,
cut
how
it
many
up.
lures I brought? I brought like 10.
Oh wow, that was bad.
What'd you do?
Hey, see a squirrel catch a fish?
Where?
Right there. You see that?
Catch a fish. Do you not know that fish live on?
No. You guys, when you see a squirrel, you gotta say when you see a squirrel, you gotta say see a squirrel catch a fish.
See a squirrel, catch a fish.
No, wait, did you see him?
You don't say it to
He's
the
over there.
fish, you'll scare 'em away.
Hey, you know like some type of like I don't know what it's called, but Matt told me that a freaking type of crane is good luck.
Yeah, he's.
Oh dang, I can't do that.
Yeah.
What?
Hit that spot.
Oh yeah.
I just throw it around there.
I can hit that spot.
I can only fish this bush. There's only one bush.
I hit
Got
the
one.
water.
Are you kidding me?
You're freaking stupid.
Are you kidding me, Reese?
I hope
Try
he
to
gets
catch
off.
your
I
stuff
hope
right
he
there.
gets
Are
off.
you kidding me?
Oh, hey, what's that? 1 to 1?
1 to 1.
Fish counts more than a frog.
No, it no.
1.5 to 1.
Okay, fine. If it's a species, it counts.
So
What?
1 to 1.
Why does that happen?
But okay, that fish is small anyways.
What? Now you catch a fish and now you saying something?
I am saying something.
Dude, we're gonna be the freaking Google squad.
I seriously,
I'll be Parrot. You'll be like John B.
Maybe Evan.
He'll be Lunkers because he looks like Lunkers kind of. And then
You want to take a picture of this?
take a pic. Hey,
Let me see
hey,
this.
Joe,
See that?
take a picture.
It's a fish.
yeah, I know what it is.
Hey, don't you do Take
I got it on Reese's YouTube channel.
It don't matter. You can get a nice picture
Yeah.
of yourself.
Hey, you never know, Davis. I can still edit this part out.
Show it up there, make
Yeah,
sure
David,
that it looks
you
like a
shouldn't care about your fish, should he?
I can edit all. I can edit all this junk out and make it look like I'm the winner. So
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm almost done with this worm. Should I have been done by
I'll
now?
make sure that everyone's
Probably.
That's good picture. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit longer.
Whoa!
Here you go, buddy.
Hey, oh, and Davis will be like,
Davis,
Blair
you
catching
just
small
had to
fish.
just toss the fish.
Well, I didn't want to throw him in the moss, then he couldn't find his way out.
Yeah, he could. He's a fish. He's probably been all up in here. He's probably all up in here eating bluegill.
Hey, Davis is Flair.
Yeah, 'cause he catches small
Catch
fish.
Small fish.
I caught a fish.
Hey, at least I caught a frog.
But you catch small fish, Davis. So that.
With the toes, please.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Now
grab
I'm getting.
I'm
To,
going frog all day.
I'm getting the real stuff out now. Let me find the right color. Oh, okay, I did bring it.
I'm gonna get it. There's no reason that I should.
What do you mean? I swear. What the?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
You're
You've got two
I
fish,
hope he
can't
gets
even
off.
put this thing on.
Get off. I'm counting on you, boy. Get off. Get off of that.
Come on, Davis. You know how to fish. Bring it in here.
I'm working on it.
This thing, you ain't 130 pounds. This thing only weighs like 2. Oh, this fish can get off. I got it.
Come on, Bo. Flip it. Flip it.
You can get it on the.
My one's tiny.
Dude, this thing's like, this thing.
Here, let me see that.
This thing ain't tiny.
Do you have scale, Davis?
This thing's actually pretty
Nah.
big. That's like 3.
I was actually gonna bring a scale, but I didn't figure we'd catch
have a scale.
anything. Really?
Yeah,
Get it.
but
Go
it's
get it.
not like a digital one.
Then go get it. I don't
Thanks.
care.
Still go get it.
That's a nice fish.
I bet. I'm guessing 2, 2.5.
I'm going 3.
Oh, of course you
No,
are.
5.5.
No, that's
Thanks,
not.
Evan.
It's not that much.
Problem.
I'll just put on the normal, the huge.
What other color dips do you have?
I have red.
There we go.
Whoa, you stupid worm.
That thing's heavy. What? Alright, thank you. This sucker's pretty nice.
It's gonna die before we get it back in the water.
Here, you wanna see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Tell me I catch small fish still?
Yeah, that's still a small fish.
This is not a small fish.
What do you think?
What?
You think it's a 2?
I'm guessing 2.5.
Same.
Marissa's got.
Man, I should have brought my scale.
Evan, I'm gonna have
Reese, can you stick this thing on for me?
Come on, Keaton.
Bring it over here.
Scale. I got you. It's not very light. Hurting my arm.
You got a small enough hook?
Oh.
There you go. Yeah. Is that? That's
It's a 3-pounder. right on it.
Called it.
Alright, now you have to actually
There,
take
sure.
this.
There.
Dude, those are the ones like at
Is that how it's
Keystone.
done?
Yeah.
Those
Straight
ones
there?
freaking
Yeah.
hurt.
Don't even touch it?
Nope.
Say 3-pounder today,
Well,
boys.
thanks, sir.
Oh.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch a fish now.
See a squirrel catch a fish.
The Reese David has blessed me with the power.
I have.
Looks big. Gosh,
Probably
guys,
just gonna, I
it's
probably
2
didn't
to
even
1.
tie the knot right. It's probably just gonna fly off or something.
2 to 1,
Yeah,
Reese.
it's
Oh, I know.
You're like the best
Okay, Reese, here we
and
go.
You're sucking it up.
No, don't put it like right here.
Oh crap! I
There's an
lost
open
my
spot right there.
flashlight. You kidding me?
Davis.
I wanna catch it.
See, he knew exactly where to go.
Hey, I actually might.
Okay, so I used 2 and they're
Oh,
kind of
you
tearing
guys
up
a
this.
brush hog ever? No.
No.
David, or
It's 2 to 1, David.
Good
for you, bud.
2 to 1
Maybe
to
you got
0 to
Two
0.
fish. I cut it frog.
It's 2 to
You got
1
a-
to 0
what
to
do you have
0.
on? Tied on.
A worm.
He has a Texas rig worm.
Yeah,
That's what it. That's what a Texas rig is.
David, what'd you say? I'm pitching.
I thought that was a jig.
Okay.
Turn
This?
thing
No, what I have.
No, that's not a jig.
Oh, what's a jig?
Right there.
I don't have any
Can't tell
jigs
what
with
one.
me
You
Why
can
not?
come up on it.
because I don't have enough room for a jig.
Isn't that how it's done? Something like that?
Dude,
Really?
that's
Yeah.
overrated. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Cast out there. That fish just came up. He wants to get.
What do you have tied on?
A Carolina rig.
Oh,
How did you do that?
casting.
I just cast to it.
See, I'm casting right where David was.
I'm
No,
gonna wait
hey,
until
my
a
spot.
Fish, I'm gonna wait till I see a fish. I'm gonna.
This is my
cast
fault.
it.
Yeah. Go to your own spot. This is my spot. I'm gonna catch another fish.
Actually, if we want to know the truth, I was here first.
Yeah.
To be the
Reese
truth, I
tried
was
to hit-
right here
tried to catch
catching the
fish around
frog
it.
while you
Oh yeah, maybe I want to catch a fish right there. Huh? Maybe
Yeah,
I
well,
do.
Something just swirled
Maybe
right
I just
there.
want to catch a fish right there, bro.
That's what David's spot is, dude.
Oh yeah, see, I'm gonna let it sink a little bit and then.
But I swear, he catches a fish.
I dipped it too far in. It's got like half and half now.
Bro, stupid worm, what are you doing?
Wait, do you have a shaky head, Davis, or just weightless?
Wait, so everybody's not
Oh.
using nobody's your frog. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna cast over your
Don't
line.
cast over my line, Evan.
I
That,
didn't.
no, you cast over the bush.
I cast it over the bush. I did.
I was gonna catch something. I don't care what it is, as long as I catch something.
David,
Davis don't know how to fish. That's why he's not catching it.
is that a fish?
No, that was me. Wait, way out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Is that a good spot?
We're just attacking this bush.
Hey, that's where fish are.
Yeah, I know. That's why I like
You
fishing
pulled
bushes.
out like a 1 pounder and then you pulled out 3. We might get 5 now.
I'll catch catfish.
That'd be nice. I'd take it home.
I think something bit it and then it left because I missed
I
it.
might have to tie on that stinger that you're using.
I don't care.
What if I need to hook it and Davis is in my way and I just smack him?
I don't have like.
You hit the pole first.
I'm not casting where you are. I didn't see that.
You hit the pole.
I did the pole.
Alright, guys.
Oh, hit your pole.
It's your boy.
Maybe I want to cast before you, huh? Maybe.
Whoa. I thought it was like a miniature like.
Oh yeah.
Evan, that's a good casting. You're gonna get a fish in this cast.
Oh yeah.
Why do you say that, Davis?
I don't want to.
Why you say that?
Bro.
Man, my rod is absolutely soaked.
It's your boy.
Oh, just kidding.
I swear. I get the stick on this dog. It's so big.
Hey, yo, it's your boy Optics Gumpy here today.
Check
All
this
right,
out.
about fishing. He don't know how to
But
fish.
if I catch one, you better be your camera on it because and then like if I catch a fish on a frog and it comes up and it eats it, we're gonna put it on slow mo.
Well, like,
It's gonna beast.
His editing software isn't that good.
yeah, it is that good.
Really?
Yeah,
How much you pay for it?
80.
What for the GoPro?
No,
Per year?
for my
Month.
editing software.
Per month or per year? Is that just a one all-time?
That's just the whole time.
I wouldn't get that stuff until I actually made some money off YouTube. You're at a whopping 6 subscribers right now, already buying $80 software.
Bud?
Well, I bought the software when I had like 0. Because I might as well do it good.
It's an investment.
It is an investment, and hopefully it'll pay off.
Hopefully. I'm gonna make a video game YouTube channel. Yo, here, I'm gonna be. Carly?
Yeah, they
I got
do.
2 fish right off the back of the boat.
I might just like twitch my frog.
Reese, you almost cast it over me.
No, I didn't. You're like right there, Evan.
Cheater.
Here,
I'll have.
I wouldn't get it on your hands.
You know how like
I don't want to touch
John
it. You
Hey,
said you're good at it.
you know how like John Fisheries, and then they somehow know
Oh,
that
my
there's
hand.
a fish on it, and it hadn't even put the freaking bait yet. The fish, oh, Reese,
Kiss my
put
worm
the
down
fish
in
on.
there. You just stuck the end of it. Maybe my whole worm wanted some garlic.
No, your whole worm doesn't need
Just want
garlic.
fish all day.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, Davis.
I bet you catch fish.
Bet you he does too.
Oh yeah.
Shaky head is not the ideal for this pond.
Not a
I don't know what a
bad
shaky head is.
This is a
What you have on?
What I have on?
no. Evan doesn't have a shaky head
Do you
on.
have a shaky head on?
What
I have
the
a
crap?
This is a shaky head.
I almost tied on a shaky head.
My worm ain't out of
Well,
garlic.
actually, I have
is
a
it?
shaky
My worm better not be out of garlic.
See, look
It's
at
not out of.
It doesn't come off. If it gets on your hands, it doesn't come off either.
Oh, so I shouldn't touch that worm.
Well, it's
No, it won't come off on your hands.
I think I got too much garlic on my worm.
No, you didn't.
Why is it glistening and why is it purple and blue and green?
Hey,
And...
Dave, guess what?
Cause it's June bug.
Well, maybe
That's a freaking
fish don't
June
want no June bugs.
You see that cast? Look at that.
Davis, what are you doing?
Cast the
I'm
thing.
waiting. Keaton's on my way.
Cast it. Dude, I'm thinking get fish.
Keaton's gonna get busted on right here.
If I don't get busted,
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's all I'm saying.
you might get something.
You cast it over my line. Yeah, you did.
That's really good.
Bro!
For what?
Tired of this stupid fishing thing. I can't catch nothing.
Alright,
Oh, what
I gotta switch.
You were here for like, oh, I got a one, I got a perch. Oh no, I got a bass.
Doesn't count. Doesn't count.
Yeah, it does.
even get it over.
You didn't get it.
I didn't even know
If we were in a
something.
fishing tournament and that was a boat and it flopped in the water, would it count?
No.
No.
No, cause it was like
Listen.
2 inches.
Exactly.
It was like 2 inches.
Oh no.
Fish. Hey, we're gonna count it because it was effort.
Yeah,
Count it?
I touched it.
It's a .5.
Wait, you touched it?
Yeah, I touched
Oh,
it.
see, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I went down to grab it, then he flopped off.
Lying. The camera saw everything. You didn't touch it.
Whatever. I will show you the video.
There,
Hey,
that
put it in
fish is
slow-mo.
surface right there.
No, it didn't.
Oh, that was you.
I don't know. No.
Hey, what should
Mine-
I
mine's in
use?
here.
Gosh dang.
I don't know. Just
Davis, you catch
tie on some sort of soft
I
plastic.
like catching.
Maybe I want to catch something down here. Okay.
Brush
Maybe,
hog?
maybe something's biting down here.
Hey.
Yeah, tie on a brush hog.
Reese, be ready to get this on camera. Look at
You
this.
need a hook?
Let's get something. I'm just gonna toss
No,
it
I
away out
haven't. I think I have it.
there. Like, I
I
smell
don't
this
know.
garlic.
I got a hook that's like.
Thank
Okay.
you.
If you want, I have a thing of hooks, like my actual.
I got 4 down in my bag.
I'm gonna keep my frog out.
Davis, what time are you guys?
and
Are
I
you
might come
coming
back
back?
to you.
Coming back up? Oh. I don't know.
Never know. That top water bite might get intense.
Dude, it is getting intense. We've been out here on for 30 minutes.
And I've already caught 2 fish.
And I've already caught a frog.
But Keaton's caught a frog, so I
that
would.
was the best one.
I'm still in the lead, but I'd give Keaton props for catching a frog.
So he has about 1.5.
yeah, let's give him 1.5. I'm at 2.
1.5.
If we were going by pounds, I'd be in the lead.
Wait, so what's the type of stuff?
But if we're going by taste, Keaton's in the lead.
Weightless brush hog or weight?
Let's-
I'm using weightless.
Let's
Screw
catch
this.
catfish.
I'm using
Huh?
weight.
Let's catch catfish.
I didn't even bring any bullet weights. Wow.
I got bullet weight. No, I
I
don't.
have
I
bullet
can't
weight.
find my weight.
Isn't this a bullet weight?
Yeah, it is a
Evan
bullet
has
weight.
like a bunch of
Yeah. I can't. I don't know where.
I might need to borrow one of your bullet weight, Evans.
weights. Hey, I might
So
do-
this garlic ain't gonna get on me, right?
I might
No.
No,
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Davis. Davis.
What's that?
Now there's no fish in the flipping bush.
Oh my God! You guys
Davis?
killed yourself.
What the? You just about cast it in me. What type of-
I'm moving.
Okay, yeah, this stuff isn't made for a shaky head.
You ain't ready for a
I'm gonna go
shaky
move
head
down here now.
yet.
Abel, I scared them all down here.
That's what you mean, Reese.
What?
You ain't ready for a shaky head yet.
Is it ready for a Texas fish?
Dang it.
Yeah,
I love
Texas frigs are always good.
them. See, I'm using
I'm not very good with them.
They're good for pond fish. Not for pond fish. They're good for yeah, I need some hooks.
It's
Cause look at how small that
Mom
thing
area
is.
isn't very good for the Texas rig, is it?
they're in there.
I need to throw to the bush.
Okay, I was gonna come over here
Did you
anyway.
already put something else on there?
No,
You grabbed a different pole?
I just grabbed my different rod.
How'd you cast that far?
Plus
What the crap else was on there?
It's I have a weight and a my bait.
Well, I have a weight in my bait, but my weight didn't fly away from my bait.
Well, yeah, but
Because you cast further than me?
no.
Hey, look at this. You ready? Oh.
This is why.
Oh, you keep your weight up there?
No, that's because this is a Carolina rig. That's what this is. Like your weight up way up here, and then like it'll drag the bottom. And this is monofilament line, so that means it floats, and it'll come up, and that's what it looks like in the water.
Yeah. People when you're fishing. I say just grab a worm and a bobber and catch fish.
That's not really how it works.
Yeah, it is. Catch plenty of fish doing that.
Well, yeah, you actually catch more if
If I had a bobber and a worm, I'd do that.
I just bought these fresh. These are still fresh.
No,
Just
they're not.
bought them.
No, they're
First time up for net tag.
Some net,
Catch
some,
me bigger.
some net bait.
Alright, where's your hooks at? Oh, right there. Dang, man, you got a big old hook.
Reese, you caught one.
No, I didn't. I'm hung up.
I know. I was just kidding.
How do you open up this thing?
There we go.
Whoa, how'd you do that?
You,
I
once
opened this thing, Reese.
you get hung up and you pop, you have to open all three of them,
I did.
Is it
and
still
then
on
you
there?
pull. No,
What if you lost your Carolina rig?
I didn't. Wait, that might actually be a fish.
Magic bad knot tying.
Oh, it isn't.
Yeah, I don't tie bad knots. I tie the uni knot. Just open it up.
The uni knot. Does that mean the knot never? Oh,
There it
don't.
goes. There it goes.
Come on, Davis, catch something.
Well, yeah, Davis, you're obviously the pro here.
Because
Because
I haven't caught a fish, okay?
yeah, neither have I.
I caught one.
No, you didn't.
You
You
got
caught
a.
Man, it is 1.5.
You caught an amphibian.
Hey, at least I have 1.5.
You caught an amphibian.
What?
Bro, this little squeaker over here is gonna be annoying on your camera.
Who?
That one.
Davis?
Yeah.
Think about freaking yourself.
Oh!
Look at that cast. Look at this dude.
Look at this dude.
Got one.
Yeah! I got it.
What are we allowed to put on your YouTube
Hey,
channel?
guess what? Guess what? I got it.
Uh,
It's a boat flipper.
it,
Oh, it's one. It's one. That's all that matters. It's a one. Remember? Remember that?
oh yeah, it's a one. Kiss my butt.
Oh! I'm 50.
So what am I allowed to put on that thing?
You're allowed to put anything you want.
Really?
Man, you see that? See that camera?
Bro, can I show you? Can I show him a video?
Just to let you guys
No,
know.
no.
Go subscribe.
Okay, so Keaton